I am so excited about this theme. I can't wait to have our family pajama party, our family gatherings and stuff like that, all for the holiday season. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for this video. So in this video, I'm going to give you a brief tour, a breakdown of what I've done here in our family room for the holidays. I am so excited about this theme. I can't wait to have our family pajama party, our family gatherings and stuff like that, all for the holiday season. So let's get started on the detailed tour. If you've been following me for quite some time, you pretty much know where everything came from. But just in case I have someone that's new and stopping by, let me just briefly tell you where everything came from. So my bookshelves are from CB2. The ceramic books, the white ceramic books, are from zgallery. The little red Christmas trees are from Michael's. The Santa hat is from At Home. These are actually Christmas ornaments. These are from Walmart. This deer here came from a Christmas pop-up shop here in Houston. And this candy here actually came from Michael's. And my candles came from Kohl's, and I've had them for several years. My Ming boxes are from zgallery. The vase at the bottom from zgallery. And the Let It Snow Christmas tree is from Hobby Lobby. And the little peppermint jar is from Michael's. My polar bear standing looking at us is from At Home, and I've had him for several years. The Twas the Night Before Christmas ornament on the floor is from Michael's. I've had that for a couple of years as well. These super cute Norfolk pics here are from Amazon. I will link them down below because they're still available. And then I have some little bells stuck in here. The bells are actually from Michael's. And this beautiful vase here, it's a floor vase. This vase is actually from zgallery. It's been around for several years, but you still can get your hands on it. I will link that as well. And you know, I'm a matchy girl. So whatever I have on this bookshelf, I have the same thing on that bookshelf. And I get a lot of questions on how do you get that screensaver on your TV? This is actually my video. If you go to my playlist, you'll see Christmas screensavers. The most recent one is actually this one. So if you want to use this, feel free to use it. If you want to take holiday photos, if you want to have your video planned, just feel free to use it. I don't mind. You can have it all in your videos. I don't even mind. And my fireplace is from Wayfair. You still can get your hands on that. This garland is actually from Hobby Lobby. And the actual lights that's in the garland, I picked those up from Home Goods. And they come with a remote. They have several features. It's like one of those Martha Stewart brand lights. These little snowmen here, I have no idea. They might have came from Michael's because Michael's have cute little things like that for the holidays. But the little ornaments that you see here, the penguin is from At Home. The reindeer and the candy is from Walmart. Those are ornaments that I'm using as props on my mantle. The candy cane sign is from Hobby Lobby. My polar bears are from zgallery. I've had them for several years. These little pics here are from Wayfair. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is also from Hobby Lobby. This also from Hobby Lobby. And I made my little bows. I'm not a professional bow maker, but I try my best at the bows. So that's all that I have going on my fireplace here. I love it. It's really cute and festive. I like the fact that I have my glam stuff going on here, as well as the festive fun theme for my grandkids. You know, the shiny vases and the chrome and all that stuff, the mirror stuff. Yeah, I love it. Now let's move on to the Christmas tree. So if you've been following me, you know that my Christmas tree here in this room is from King of Christmas. My topper, I made it. The items in my topper are from Michael's, Hobby, and Hobby Lobby. That's where the items are from that's in my topper. And I think you can get your hands on all those things now. My bow, I made it. I have some little lollipops here. Those are from Craft X. The little red and white balls and the candy are from Hobby Lobby. The Candycane sign, Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure where the little snowflake came from, but my red balls, these balls are so red. I love them. Those are from At Home, and it came with a mixture, some mixture tones of red. The little red and white lollipops here, this one is actually from Hobby Lobby. And these little red and white pics here are from At Home. These big red balls are from Cracker Barrel, and I've had them for several years. And these little red and white pics here, this is actually from Hobby Lobby as well. My white balls are from Hobby Lobby. I have another Craft X lollipop here in the tree. And my big candy canes are from Madisonville Christmas Warehouse. I got them, I think probably end of fall when my husband and I was out that way. My polar bear is from Home Goods, reindeer from zgallery. My snowman is from Hammerture, but they no longer sell that. And I just have some artificial snow over on this side where the snowman is, and a Christmas tree skirt under the Christmas tree itself. All these little red and white boxes that I have, those are from Target, and I've had them for several years. Target has the cutest little gift boxes, but if you're going to get them, you have to get them early because they actually sell out really, really fast. So that sums up this section of my my family room. Look how cute it is, like a Hallmark card. So let's pan on around. So I made some little teardrops wreaths here. The wreaths are actually from Wayfair, and I stuck the same little pics in here from Wayfair. And these little lollipops here are from that Madisonville Christmas store as well. Again, matchy. Ooh, I almost fell. I'm a matchy girl, so I have both. Same thing on both doors. So panning around here, my polar bear, I've had it for several years. I get a lot of questions about this polar bear. I purchased it from Lowe's Home Improvement. It was one of those outdoor purchases, but I never used it outside because when I brought this bear home, I was like, there's no way I'm putting this bear outside. So I've been using the bear inside ever since I purchased it. This year, I have a lollipop stuck in his arm and a piece of candy sitting here. Then I also stuck a peppermint in his arms as well. And I also put a ribbon around his neck, and I have it like it's blowing in the wind, and that is super cute. I stuffed my little DIY wall art back there. I wanted to put it on the wall back behind the tree, but I never got a chance to do it. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to leave it tucked back there in the corner. My lamp and my wall art is from Home Goods. The lamp is from zgallery. Panning over this way, that mirror, I love that mirror. I like the shape of that mirror. It's from Home Goods. The little sconces on the side are from Amazon. My furniture, my couch is from Rooms to Go. And I'm looking for some new furniture. I want a sectional in here. I'm looking for a section. I think I'm going to go with black. Black or dark gray. I love gray, guys. My pillows. This red and white pillow here is from At Home. Really cute. I like the bow. This little faux leather pillow is from Amazon. My silver pillow is from zgallery. And my ball pillows are from Amazon. I like them because they're fun and my grandkids can play with them. I like having stuff that they can play with in here. My little end tables are from zgallery. My big floor vase over there from zgallery. My little wall plaques are from zgallery. My drapes. Oh my goodness. I am in love with these drapes. These are what's supposed to be for my master bedroom, but I only have one set. They only sent me one set. So I'm using them here until I get the other set. And I'll probably put a pair of white ones in here. My little table lamp matches my floor lamp. Is from zgallery. Side tables from zgallery. All these little decor pieces over here are from Michaels. But my candle, love this candle, is from Luminary. I had these for a couple of years. I have this brown one here, Luminary. This is from Michaels. That's from Michaels. Michaels always have some really cute Christmas decor. And this year, they did not come to play. This year, they had some really cute Christmas decor. But I don't think, do I have anything in here from Michaels from this year? Yeah, I do. I have these little candy pieces here are from Michaels this year. That tree there is from a couple of years ago. And also that peppermint down there, peppermint jar is from Michaels. So I have the same pillows on this couch as I have on that couch. Then I have over here, I have like a little peppermint tree that came from Craftex over the summer, as well as 2 more luminary candles. And then coming on over here to my coffee table. My coffee table is from Wayfair. John, what you... Okay, my coffee table is from Wayfair. And pretty much everything on my coffee table may be from Wayfair. The little swag is also from Wayfair. I have some Wayfair pics in here. The little snowman with the peppermint, also from Wayfair. This candle here came in a set. It's actually from Amazon. The candle holder from Amazon. And then I also have some of these red balls that actually came from At Home in here. And the little peppermint candies are from Hobby Lobby. Then I have these really cute little trees here. Peppermint trees. These are from Wayfair. These are cute. I wish they came with a, if you can set them on a timer or a remote. And then this actually came from Michaels. I told y'all Michaels be having some cute little stuff. That's really cute. Look at that. And the mirror tray, I'm sure came from Home Goods, Ross, or Burlington. I don't remember the exact store, but it's one of those 3 stores. Let me put that back. And my rug is from Sam's, but it's no longer available. So I think that pretty much sums up the space. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for my next video that I'm probably going to do is either my home office or my master bedroom. Not sure which one I want to do, but stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.